Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to C2C Mentors. We have got the date for the CAT exam, that is 29th November 2020, and we are having close to 100 days from today. We are starting with our LRDI series in which you will be learning a new concept every day and question picking technique, because at the end we want to maximize our marks in the section. All the sets will be of good quality and not straightforward, and you will also learn the use of approximations in this particular process. So without wasting any time, I would just like to jump to the set. I'll request all of you to just pause the video here for once, go through the set, and after that you can see what's going to help you. Okay? I just hope you have gone through that particular set. Okay? So what I'll be doing is explaining you what is the kind of the thing that is happening in the question. Basically, it is saying that there are some regional dealers. Okay? A till F, from A to F, right? Then there are some wholesale dealers, that is G to M, and then there are sub dealers, right? There are three types of the dealers that are available to me in the question. Okay, and there are transactions that are happening between these three. So I will classify this as R, okay, this as W, and this as sub dealer, right, and this again as W, right? So there are transactions happening between these three particular dealer. Okay, so the questions are asked on that particular thing. I would just like to go through the first question. What is the least cost in rupees of transporting one truckload of the company's products from any regional dealer to the sub dealer O? So they are specifically targeting sub dealer O, right? So I want to calculate the least cost, right? I want to calculate the least cost in this particular transaction. There are two processes to go. Okay, either you can calculate each and every transaction of O, right? That will be time consuming. Second technique is how you can go through it. You look out, okay, look out for the minimum transaction between sub dealer O and wholesale dealer. Okay, wholesale dealer, any of the wholesale dealer and sub dealer O, the minimum transactions that is happening between sub dealer O and any wholesaler is 476 rupees, right? There is no cost that is below this particular cost. Okay, now if K is selling goods to O at the price of, right, if K is selling goods to O at the price of 476 rupees, I need to search for the transactions of regional dealer to wholesale dealer, okay, in which the transaction is minimum between these two. Okay, so A to K, it is being charged 5568. Definitely it cannot be the minimum. B to K, it is 1572. That also we have to look forward, because I think C to K will give me 0. So C to K, right, C to K and O, right, 0 plus 476. So answer will be 476. This is a theta question. Okay, this is a theta question basically, and what you need to do is that you have to plug in the answer basically, right? So the answer for the first question is 476. I hope everyone got this. There are two ways you can go through the time consuming one, and you have other option also available. So other option will be less time consuming. You just have to make your brain work how to choose this particular option. Okay, you will look for the least option available, the least cost will give you the benefit in all the transactions. I hope the first question is clear. Now we will be jumping towards the second question. So guys, let's just jump to the second question. Second question is saying me that what is the least cost of transporting a truckload of a company's product from the regional dealer A, okay, from the regional dealer A to any sub dealer. So in the previous question they have specified me about O, right? In this particular question they have specified me about A, and they are asking least cost of transporting. A is a regional dealer, everyone with me, right? And he is going to any sub dealer. So sub dealer category includes from N to V, right? We need to calculate the transactions between A to any one of them, which will be the least in cost. Okay, and in this the four options are available, right? So we will use the make of options also, and we'll find it in the direct manner also. Okay, so A, the least cost, again I'm using that particular approach only, the least cost between A to any other wholesale dealer. Understand the process, guys. Regional dealer is transferring things to wholesale dealer. Wholesale dealer is then transferring things to sub dealers, right? So I will find the least cost here first. Okay, when I'll find the least cost, so after looking at the chart, I can see that the least cost that is being offered here is 1,555, right? 1,555. Okay, 1,555, that is the transaction that is between A and H, right? Now I need to go to H. Okay, H is here and H is giving us 0 rupees. So H is giving 0 rupees to T, right? So this will be my minimum cost of the transactions between H and any other region, any other sub dealer, right? You can check it here. H involves 4216, 4016, 3901, 1811, 1343, 9221, 748 and 1275. So 0 is present in T. So the H to T cost will be 0. A to H cost will be 1555. Okay. So second option will be the answer for this particular question. I hope you got it, because this is a pretty straightforward concept. If you know it, you know the technique, you can save time definitely in this. Otherwise you have to check for each and every calculation. I hope you got the second question. Now let's just jump to the third question. Okay, so the third question is basically asking me that A to any one of them I will transfer, and then N. Okay, what is the least cost? And I should get the least cost. Okay, I should calculate the least cost here. What is the least cost of transporting one truckload of a company products from regional dealer A? I don't know to whom I have to transfer, so that the cost will be minimum to N, right? So I'll just go to A. I'll check out again the minimum transactions. First I'll start with AH, as we have learned in the previous question. This was 1,555, right? And H to N I'll calculate after that. H to N will be 4216, right? This will give me 1675, right? 5761 it is given me. 5771 it has given me, right? Now I will go to the other second lowest cost that is available between A to any other sub dealer, that is between A and J, right? A and J is transacting at the rate of 1855, and J is transacting at the rate of, to any other dealer, the minimum cost is 816. If I'm not wrong, then it's not 816, then it's 688. So 5 plus 8 give me 13, 5 plus 8 again give me 13, plus 1 carry 14, 5, 2, 5, 4, 3. Okay. A to J, right? Then I'll go to the third one. Third one is 2255. But I need to calculate between J and N only, right? So J and N transaction is taking place as 4000. So I will add here 4446, right? But it is not going to, definitely it will be more than this, so I will consider this case 2255 plus, okay, so it's between A and I, and then I need to go to I to N. So 1572, which will give me 7283827. I think the minimum cost here is of, as is in the options also, is 3827. So 3827 will be the answer. Okay, so I hope you got this one also. How is the process going on? First we need to calculate the least cost, right, between any two parties. Then we need to calculate the least cost between the rest two parties. After that you will add on, and their total cost should be least. Then only you will be able to get the particular answer. I'm sorry for this particular thing, I added something else. Okay, so now let's just jump to the last question for the day. Okay, so I will rate this set as easy, because 3 questions were doable in this set if you have thought through your mind. Okay, fourth question, this is a speed breaker question. Okay, now I'll tell you that what is the different thing. 1 to 3 questions were easy, pretty easy, you can directly get them, you can get 9 marks, you can move to the other set. Fourth question, tricky, theta, type in the answer, not sure whether you will be getting the correct answer, right? But it involves number of cases. I'm going to tell you how to deal with such questions, and in the first case I'll tell you that if you are running through a set, then definitely you need to avoid this question and jump to the other set, solve that particular set, and then come at the last to solve this question, right? So this will be my approach for this particular thing. And now we are going to discuss the fourth question for the day. Fourth question says, give me a second guys. So fourth question says, if the cost of transporting one truckload of the company's product from the regional dealer D, now they have specified who is the regional dealer here, D is the regional dealer, to one of the sub dealers X, okay, so X is the sub dealer, is more than 9,000, okay, 9,000. I need to do a transactions between these two parties, X, it is given me this, and the cost should be more than 9,000 rupees, right? How many possibilities of X exist? Okay, so this is a long question. I will let you know that how to solve this question. I'll let you know, okay? First, I'll start thinking about D to G, right? D to G is giving me a cost of 2,949. To make it 9,000, I just approximately need to add 6,000 basically, because this is close to 3,000, and if I'll add 6,050 rupees, then definitely I'll be getting my answer towards greater than 9,000, right? This is an approximate value, this is not a particular value, okay? So 6,050, I need a value greater than 6,050 in the case of G. So is there any value greater than 6,050? There is no such value greater than 6,050. So definitely I'm not going to let any of the values taken from D to G case. I hope you got this particular thing, right? Next I will check is of D to H, which is 3,799. To make it close to 9,000, I am going to add 200 to make it 4,000 and 5,000 to make it 9,000. I need a cost greater than 5,200. So is there any cost in H that is greater than 5,200? Again, zero possibilities. Okay. Next is D to I. Okay, that is given me as 3,901. Okay. If it is given me as 3,901, so I need to add 100 to get a cost greater and 6, right? 100 if I am get 100 and 5. 5,100. I need a value greater than 5,100 in I section. Is there any cost greater than 5,100? No, there is no cost greater than 5,100. So definitely this case will also be not be considered. Then I'll jump to D to J. D to J cost is 3,751, right? I'll add 50 to make 3,800, 2 to make 4,000, and 5 to make it 9,000. I need a cost greater than 5,250, right? So 5,250 in the J section, is there any cost greater than 5,250? No, there is no cost greater than 5,250. So definitely this will also not be the case that is going to be considered. Then I will go to D to K, 5,788. I need close to 212 to make it 9,000, 6,000, and then definitely I'll add 3. So I need a cost greater than 3,212 in K. 3,212. Okay, so I found 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here. 4 values in D to K. So we are just gonna write it down here that D to K to any subdealer X is giving me 4 values. I hope everyone is clear with this particular thing, right? After that, I'll check the remaining cases. D to L, it is giving me 5,329. To make it close to greater than 9,000, I had to add 700 for the 6,000 and 3,000 for the 9,000 thing. So I need a cost greater than 3,700. So 1. That's it. So D to L to any dealer is giving me 1 value, right? Now I'll consider the last case. Okay, so D to M, that is 5,466. I need a value greater than 600 close approximately, and 3,000. So I need a value greater than 3,600. I think we have 3,358, not any value greater than that. So definitely my answer for this question will be 4 plus 1, 5. Now you can see the difference. The time we took for this question was equal to the 3 questions that we solved in that particular time, right? So always calculate your speed while solving the questions, okay? And you should know what should be the risk and the reward for these particular type of questions. Accordingly, I will say that this particular set ends here, okay, and I will rate it as a moderate set. But in the exam condition, this sets only become difficult because people do make silly mistakes in the counting process also sometimes. And after that, what I would like to say that fourth question was a speed breaker here, and the first three were easy. So definitely the target score for this particular sets remain at 9 out of 12. Thank you. Signing off. Guys, please do like the video and do share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.